Welcome to Sarasas Samutsan School. This is Health Matayong 2. And my name is Teacher Carla G. Circulado. Before we start our lesson for today, let's read the vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Armpit hair, armpit hair. Breast, breast. Testis, testis. Now repeat after me. Armpit hair, breast, testis. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Penis, penis. Enlarge, enlarge. Gain, gain. Now repeat after me. Penis, enlarge, gain. Very good. Now listen carefully as I read the third set of words. Enlarge, enlarge. Pubic hair, pubic hair. Broader, broader. Now repeat after me. Enlarge, pubic hair, broader. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Please bring out one piece of paper, or if you have your notebooks with you, and write activity number 1, then the month and the year. Let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word enlarge, enlarge. Number 2. Spell the word breast, breast. Number 3. Spell the word testis, testis. Okay, now let's check your answers. Please bring out a red pen. Please check. If your answer is correct, put 1. If your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer. Here are the answers. Number 1. Enlarge. E-N-L-A-R-G-E. Enlarge. 2. Breast. B-R-E-A-S-T. Breast. And number 3, testis. T-E-S-T-E-S. Testis. Very good. Now let's move on to our topic, which we already discussed on our last meeting or the last PowerPoint. We will have a review for Unit 1, Growth and Development. So if you have your book with you, please open it up on page 2. Open your books on page 2. If you are ready, let's move to the next slide. Puberty is the period of time when we change from a child to a young adult. Repeat after me. Puberty is the period of time when we change from a child to a young adult. Your turn. Very good. As we talked about on the last meeting, we have the stages in life. So from childhood, we will now develop into puberty. And after puberty, we will go on as adult. But we will focus our topic on puberty. It says it's the period when we change from a child to a young adult. Okay, so it's very important that we talk about this so you know what's happening in your body. Next slide. Puberty starts when we are about 9 to 10 years old. Repeat after me. Puberty starts when we are about 9 to 10 years old. Your turn. Very good. So it says that we start developing our bodies or the puberty stage when our age is about 9 to 10 years old. So when you reach this age, you start the stage of puberty. Next. During puberty, the body changes rapidly. Repeat after me. During puberty, the body changes rapidly. Your turn. Very good. So it says that during puberty stage, our body, for example in this picture, the girl is starting to have hair. It's called armpit hair. She's starting to develop the armpit hair. And for the boys, as you can see in the picture, the boys are starting to develop their facial hair. Okay, so these are the body changes. Okay, next. Puberty does not begin at the same age for everyone. Girls usually start puberty earlier than boys. Repeat after me. Puberty does not begin at the same age for everyone. Your turn. Girls usually start puberty earlier than boys. Your turn. Very good. So, it says that puberty does not begin the same age for everyone. So, it's different. Okay, some ladies start at age, some ladies start at 9. Also, the boys is different. But girls is usually start earlier than boys. So, it says on the research that mostly girls start puberty earlier than boys. Next, let's do some exercise. Get your notebooks, write activity number 2, the day, the month, the year. Let's do some fill in the blanks. Puberty usually starts when we are about blank years old. Puberty usually starts when we are about blank years old. Number 2. During puberty, the blank changes rapidly. During puberty, the blank changes rapidly. Number 3. Blank usually start puberty earlier than boys. Blank usually start puberty earlier than boys. Number 4 and 5. Puberty is the period of time when we change from a blank to a young blank. 4 and 5. Puberty is the period of time when we change from a blank to a young blank. You can take a look at the pictures. Okay. Now let's do the summary. What we talk about or what we review for today is about puberty. It says that puberty is when we change from a child to a young adult. Okay? And we also review that puberty starts at 9 to 10 years old. And we also talked about that when puberty stage, our body changes rapidly. We saw the changes in the picture. Ladies start to have armpit hairs and the boys started to have facial hairs. And we also talked about that puberty does not start the same age. So it's different. This girl may start at 9. This boy may start at 8. This girl may start at 7 or 8. It's different for everybody. Thank you so much, students. Hope you all learn about puberty, and next time we will continue our topic. But don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy foods, and take your vitamins. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.